Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 5 Precipitation. Our today's point is effects of precipitation. The main source of potable water available on the earth is precipitation. As we know that excessive rainfall is destructive. So is the absence of rainfall. It means in both conditions, whether there is a less rainfall or there is a excessive rainfall, human beings suffer a lot. As there is excessive rainfall, it is getting flood, and flood occurs many calamities. Sometimes it causes the loss of life and property. In the contrary, if there is no rainfall or if there is a scanty rainfall, and if the precipitation does not take place, then conditions of drought arise. It means when there is excessive rainfall, flood occurs. Whereas when there is excessive drought condition, less rainfall, scanty rainfall, drought occurs. As we know that due to the drought conditions or due to the flood conditions, both conditions cause shortage of food. And food may have to be imported and farmers' conditions become grave. In such conditions, a country's economy gets affected. India is known as an agricultural country. So economy of India is totally dependent on agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation in India, but agriculture is totally dependent on the monsoons. Hence, rainfall is very important for whole country. If there is a good rainfall at the right time, that right time rainfall increases crop production. Whereas untimely rainfall can damage the crops. It is not useful for the crops. The rainfall in India is quite erratic. Erratic means irregular. It means in India, rainfall is not regular, it is irregular. In previous video, we have seen some information about fog. Due to the fog, visibility reduces. Fog affects the means of transportation. Means of transportation like roads, railways, waterways, and the airways. In the fog condition, visibility reduces or decreases. So, many accidents take place in such. Trains, flights, and other transport services may have to be cancelled in such conditions. Frost is very harmful for crops. It causes accident if spread on the road. Fog and dew damage some crops by spreading diseases, while it may be beneficial for some crops. Let's understand about acid rain. Because of air pollution in industrial areas, various gases get mixed in the air. Different acids are created when the water vapor in the air reacts chemically with these gases, such as nitric acid, sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide, etc. Different acids dissolved in rainwater fall with the rain during precipitation. Such type of rain which has acid dissolves in it is called acid rain. Acid rain is very harmful, very dangerous for living organisms as well as non-living objects too. Acid rain causes pollution of water bodies like rivers, lakes, and reservoirs. Fish and other aquatic life in such polluted water bodies die due to acidic rain. Acid rain in forest causes burning and shedding of leaves. At times, trees also die. Animals and birds also suffer due to acid rains. Acid rain also affects soil. The fertility of soil decreases due to acidic rain. Microorganisms which are very crucial, very delicate for soil's health die due to acidic rain, and thus soil becomes acidic and infertile. Acid rain also causes damage to structures, buildings, bridges, and statues. Overall, acid rain is very destructive for living things as well as non-living things. In this way, we have seen today effects of precipitation, acidic rain, and effects of acid rain. Today our this chapter precipitation is over. Students, textbook reading is very important for better understanding. So I hope you will read text very carefully and try to understand this chapter. Thank you.